In PocketStudio, multiple people can work in the same 3D scene at the same time. You're kept in sync by a remote server, so it doesn't matter where in the world you are. Just click on your project, and you'll see in the toolbar above is the icon for adding a user. Click on that and a window pops up, and you can just start typing their usernames. As soon as you click Done, the project card appears in their app, and they can double click on it, open it up, and see the same 3D scenes that you're looking at. And when you do this, what you'll notice is when you move things about in the viewport, and they're moving things about in their viewport, the objects they interact with are highlighted in a colour, and that colour is different from your colour, which helps you to be aware of which part of the project other users are working on. What you can also do is look through the same camera at the same time, and even be moving that camera, so whether that's in the AR app or just in the viewport, one of you can be controlling that camera, and the other users in different locations can be watching through the exact same viewpoint.